For many, summer is a time to relax, enjoy longer stretches of daylight, to go on adventures. For others, it's a much busier time, as young children are not at school and are participating in what may seem like a never-ending list of activities. I would like to challenge families here in the Diocese of Syracuse to unplug this summer. Designate a time of day when you can come together without the distraction of phones, tablets, and social media. Use that time to connect through conversation and play. Pray as a family, or devote this unplugged time to performing corporal works of mercy together. When the breeze becomes cooler and the leaves begin to change, it will not be the evening spent on the couch looking at Facebook that you recall. Rather, it will be the time spent enjoying one another as a faithful family that you remember, and what memories you will create. Be assured of my prayers for you. God bless you.